If your abs are not showing, your toe touch crunch form is completely wrong. This simple exercise can fail if you make one small but critical mistake. Most people rush through reps and never fully activate their abdominal muscles properly. Instead of working abs, they strain their neck and lose all core tension. Today, you will fix these mistakes and start seeing real results much faster. Most people perform toe touch crunches without control, reducing effectiveness significantly. They rely on momentum instead of controlled muscle contraction during every repetition. This prevents proper engagement of the abdominal muscles needed for visible results. Many also pull their neck forward, causing strain and reducing core activation. That's why their progress remains slow despite consistent effort in workouts. Toe touch crunch mainly targets your upper abdominal muscles when done correctly, but the key lies in controlling movement and maintaining constant muscle tension. Your abs must contract and shorten at the top of each repetition. This squeeze is what creates muscle definition and strengthens your core effectively. Without this contraction, the exercise becomes almost useless for building abs. Unfortunately, most people perform this exercise with completely incorrect technique. They yank their neck forward instead of lifting their shoulders using core strength. They swing their arms upward to create momentum instead of control. Their legs bend or drop, reducing tension on the abdominal muscles. They also rush through reps, losing control and proper muscle engagement completely. To fix this, you must focus on proper technique and controlled execution. Start by keeping your legs straight and vertical throughout the entire movement. Lift your shoulders using your abs instead of pulling your neck forward. Reach toward your toes slowly with full control and focus on tension. Pause at the top and squeeze your abs tightly for maximum contraction. Then lower yourself down slowly while maintaining tension in your core muscles. Now let's break down the exact steps to perform this exercise correctly. First, lie flat on your back in a stable starting position. Raise your legs straight up toward the ceiling without bending knees. Extend your arms upward, reaching toward your toes before starting movement. Engage your core tightly by pulling your stomach inward slightly. Lift your shoulders off the ground slowly using controlled abdominal contraction. Reach toward your toes while keeping your movement smooth and controlled. Squeeze your abs at the top position for a brief moment. Lower yourself down slowly without losing tension in your core muscles. Maintain this control throughout every repetition for best possible results. Repeat this movement consistently while focusing on quality over quantity. Avoid common mistakes that reduce effectiveness and slow your progress significantly. Do not use momentum during the exercise as it reduces muscle engagement. Never pull your neck forward because it shifts tension away from your abs. Avoid bending your legs as it decreases tension on the abdominal muscles. Do not rush your repetitions. Control is more important than speed, always. Keep your core tight throughout the entire movement for maximum effectiveness. When done correctly, your results will improve much faster than before. Your upper abs will become stronger and more defined over time. You will gain better control and stability in your core muscles. Your overall abdominal strength will improve, supporting better posture daily. This leads to visible results and a more toned midsection appearance. Proper form is always more important than doing a high number of repetitions. Focus on quality movement and controlled execution during every workout session. This approach ensures you are training your muscles effectively and safely. It also helps prevent injury while maximizing your overall fitness results. Toe touch crunch is effective only when performed with correct technique. Control every movement and focus on tension and contraction at all times. Train smarter by improving your form instead of increasing repetitions unnecessarily. Consistency combined with proper technique will transform your results quickly. Stay disciplined and focused on performing each rep with perfect form. Add this corrected method to your workout routine starting today. This is how you build strong, defined, and functional abdominal muscles. Stop wasting time on incorrect form that does not deliver real results. Focus on exercises that challenge your muscles in the right way. Keep improving your technique with every repetition you perform daily. Your progress depends on how well you execute each movement correctly. Stay committed and push yourself while maintaining proper form always. This is how professional athletes train for maximum performance and results. It is simple, effective, and works for all fitness levels consistently. Start today and take control of your fitness journey seriously. Stay consistent, stay focused, and keep improving every single day. Your best results come from effort combined with proper execution always. Subscribe now for more powerful fitness strategies that actually deliver real results.